Okay, children, which topic will today? Ratio and proportion, part 11. We'll do some exercise questions here. Exercise 12.2 class 6 maths. Question 3. What is the question here? Are the following statements true? 40% is to 200% equal to rupees 15 is to rupees 75. 40 is to 200 can be written in fraction as 40 divided by 200. We'll divide numerator denominator by 40. Why? Because 40 is the HCF of 40 and 200. I'll get 1 by 5. 15 by 15 is to 75 can be written in fraction as 15 by 75. So we'll divide both numerator denominator by 15 because 15 is the HCF of 15 and 75. We'll get 1 by 5. So statement is true. So B, 7.5 liter is to 15 liter, 5 kg is to 10 kg. 7.5 is to 15 can be written in fraction as 7.5 by 15. We will multiply both numerator denominator by 2. So we'll get 75 by 150 equal to 75 by 150. We are dividing both numerator denominator by 75. Why 75? Because 75 is the HCF of 75 and 150 equal to 1 by 2. 5 kg is to 10 kg. 5 is to 10 can be written in fraction as 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 will divide both numerator denominator by 5. So we'll get 1 by 2 because why you are dividing by 5 numerator denominator? Because 5 is the HCF of 5 and 10. We get 1 by 2. Statement B is true. C. 99 kg is to 45 kg equal to 44 rupees is to 20 rupees. 99 is to 45 can be written in fraction as 99 by 45. We'll divide 99 45 by 9. Why? Because 9 is the HCF of 99 and 45. Will get 11 by 5. Then take 44 is to 20. 44 is to 20 can be written in fraction as 44 by 20. So 44 by 20, we will divide both numerator denominator by 4. Why 4? Because 4 is the HCF of 44 and 20 will get 11 by 5. Statement C is true. 32 meter is 64 meter equal to 6 second is to 12 second. So 32 is to 64 can be written as fraction as 32 by 64. We will divide both 32 and 64 by 32. Why 32? Why not 30? Why not 20? Because 32 is the HCF of 32 and 64. We will get 1 by 2. 6 second is to 12 second. Okay. Can be written in fraction as 6 by 12. We will divide both 6 and 12 by 6. We will get 1 by 2. Statement D is true. 45 kilometer is to 60 kilometer equal to 12 hours is to 15 hours. So 45 is to 60 can be written in fraction as 45 by 60. We'll divide numerator denominator by 15 because 15 is the HCF of 45 and 60. We'll get to 3 by 4. 12 hours is to 15 hours can be written in fraction as 12 by 15. So we'll divide numerator denominator by 3. So you'll get 4 by 5. 3 by 4 not equal to 4 by 5. Statement is not true. Question 4, exercise 12.2, question 4. Determine if the following ratios form a proportion. Also write the middle terms and extreme terms where the ratio form a proportion. Okay. 25 centimeters to 1 meter, 40 rupees is to 160 rupees. Here, what is the rule in ratio? We can compare two ratios only if they have the same unit. Centimeter and meter is there. They are not the same unit. So we'll convert meter to centimeter. What is the formula? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. So 25 by 100. So it can be written in fraction 25 is to 100 can be written as 25 by 100. Why 100? Because I am writing 1 meter as 100 centimeter. Now we will divide numerator denominator by 25 equal to 1 by 4. 40 is to 160 can be written as fraction as 40 by 160. We'll divide 40 and 160 by 40, which is the, because 40 is the HCF of 40 and 160 will get 1 by 4. Given ratios are in proportion. Extreme terms are 25 centimeter and rupees 160. Middle terms 1 meter and rupees 40. What is extreme term means? First term and the last term are called extreme terms. The term that terms come in the middle are called middle terms. Okay. Next B, 39 liters is to 65 liters and 6 bottles is to 10 bottles. Firstly, we'll take 39 is to 65. Can be written in fraction as 39 by 65. We'll divide 39 65 by 13 because 13 is the HCF of 39 and 65. We'll get 3 by 5. 6 bottles is to 10 bottles can be written as fraction as 6 by 10. We will divide both 6 and 10 by 2 because 2 is the HCF of 6 and 10. We'll get 3 by 5. Given ratios are in proportion. Extreme terms are 39 liters and 10 bottles. Middle terms are 65 liters and 6 bottles. Okay. Form next 2 kg is to 80 kg. 25 gram is to 625 gram. Okay. So 2 is to 880. We'll take it as 2 by 80 in fractional form. So we'll divide both 2 and 80 by 2. Why 2? Because 2 is the HCF of 2 and 80. We'll get 1 by 40. 25 gram is to 625 gram. We can write in fraction as 25 by 625. We will divide both numerator and denominator by 25. We will get 1 by 25. So 1 by 40 not equal to 1 by 25. Given ratios are not in proportion. Next D. 200 ml is to 2.5 liter and rupees 4 is to rupees 50. So 200 ml is to 2500 ml. How? This milliliter and liter are the different units, right? For comparing two ratios, what is the rule here? Yeah, both the ratios should have the same unit. Milliliter is there, liter is there. They are not the same. So we'll convert liter to milliliter. What is the formula? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter and 1 milliliter equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So 2.5 liter is 2500 milliliter. So 200 is to 2500 can be written as 200 by 2500. We'll divide both 200 and 2500 by 100 because 100 is the HCF of 200 and 2500. You get 2 by 25. Similarly, 4 is to 50 can be written in fraction as 4 by 50. We'll divide 4 and 50 by 2 because 2 is the HCF of 4 and 50. We'll get 2 by 25. So 2 by 25 is equal to 2 by 25. Given ratios are in proportion. Extreme terms are 200 ml and rupees 50. Middle terms are 2.5 liter and rupees 4. I told you no. What are extreme term means? First term and the last term are called extreme terms. Middle terms are the terms which come in the middle. Okay, children, will continue the next part in the next session. Over this.